In this lesson, we are going to learn how to compare fractions. We are going to color the parts, then circle the larger fraction. So, for 2 over 6, we simply need to color 1, 2. Now, for 3 over 6, we can color 1, 2, and 3. So from here, we can clearly see which is the larger fraction. We can clearly see that 3 over 6 is larger than 2 over 6. So we circle the larger fraction, 3 over 6. Okay, so now we are going to do question number 2. We are going to first color the parts, 3 over 5, so 1, 2, 3. For 3 over 10, 1, 2, 3. So now, circle the larger fraction. Which one is the larger fraction? Clearly, 3 over 5 is a larger fraction than 3 over 10. 3 over 5 is a larger fraction. So we circle the larger fraction, 3 over 5. Okay, so this is the same we are first going to color the parts and then circle the larger fraction. So for 1 over 8, we know there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. We are going to color only 1. So okay, so now for 1 over 4, we have 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are also only going to color 1 part. Okay, now let's look at it. Which fraction is the larger fraction? Clearly, 1 over 4 is a larger fraction than 1 over 8. It's a larger part than 1 over 8. It is also a larger slice than 1 over 8. So the larger fraction is 1 over 4. If you think of it as a pizza slice, this slice is definitely bigger than this. Okay, so this is called a fraction wall, and we are going to use this diagram to compare and circle the smaller fraction. So we have 1 over 6 here, and we have 1 over 8 here. We are going to find out which one is the smaller fraction based on this diagram here. Okay, so if you can see, we have 1 over 6 here and we have 1 over 8 here. We have the same length from this point to this point. Okay, the same length for both 1 over 6 and 1 over 8 from this point to this point. Clearly, we can see that 1 over 8 has a smaller width compared to 1 over 6, which is a bigger and larger width. Okay, so now 1 over 8 is clearly the smaller fraction because it has a smaller width compared to 1 over 6. So it's a smaller fraction. So the smaller fraction is 1 over 8. This one. Okay, so what about 1 over 9 and 1 over 5? Which one is the smaller fraction? Well, 1 over 9 has a smaller width compared to 1 over 5. So, clearly, 1 over 9 is the smaller fraction. So we circle 1 over 9 as the smaller fraction. Okay, now, so we have 1 over 10 and 2 over 10 here. So which one is the smaller fraction? We can look at the fraction wall. So 1 over 10 is this part here. 1 over 10. 2 over 10 is this part here. So 2 over 10 is from here to here. Right? That's 2 over 10. Clearly, 1 over 10 is a smaller fraction than 2 over 10. 1 over 10 is therefore the smaller fraction. Notice that this length here is 2 over 10 because 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10 gives you 2 over 10. So this whole length here is 2 over 10.